Okay, as we move on, now let's take stock of a story that was flashing on the screen just a while back. You saw those ticker lines on rare earth magnets that we are importing from China. And it seems China is putting certain other, certain new or additional regulatory requirements for sending those magnets to us. Let's go across to Parikshit to figure out what this is all about and whether it impacts the EV ecosystem. Parikshit, what is this story all about? Tell us more.
Well, we hear from sources that the EV ecosystem in India, component manufacturers have already started getting impacted. They are facing production challenges. This is because these rare earth magnets are a very critical part of traction motors, which go in electric vehicles. So what exactly happened is this. The Chinese government, effective from the 4th of April, has said that every company which is importing these rare earth magnets from China must get an end-user certificate, and that end-user certificate has to be given in a prescribed format. This will, first of all, mention that the magnets will not be given to any third party without the consent of the Chinese government. Secondly, they will not be used for making any weapon systems. And thirdly, they must have a dual authorization, not just from the Foreign Ministry of the Indian government, but also from the Chinese embassy here in New Delhi. So this seems to be a clear non-tariff barrier, which complicates things for OEMs. They will have to get these documents notarized. They will have to go to several levels of approval. We believe that the auto industry and auto component manufacturers have already reached out to the government for help, including the Ministry of External Affairs, and different nodal ministries for the automobile industry are looking into this matter, including the Ministry for Mines, Ministry for New and Renewable Energy, Ministry of Heavy Industry, and all of this is being discussed at the highest level because clearly if this problem festers, then there could be a slowdown in terms of production and more production hiccups in the EV industry along the way in the next few months.
All right, Parikshit, thank you very much for that. So that is the overall sort of China, the trade tensions. And I mean, a lot of this will happen with regards to individual components and a lot of this, of course, will be posturing, etc. as well to be able to arrive at specific agreements down the road. So fluid situation.